This is the first video in my journey to be a better crocheter. I'm starting out by using a piece of leftover skein and making it into a little ball so that I can practice some skills and get better at the art of crochet. I'm also learning to use some video editing software, and I forgot to take a picture of the cover of the book. But this is the book I'm using, and the first skill that I am going to try to learn is how to extend the chain if you didn't chain enough. As you watch me do this, you're going to find that I don't like what I'm doing very much, and I try it several times. Going a little slow because I'm reading the directions here. I forgot a stitch marker, so I had to go grab one. You'll find out later that I didn't really use it. I can see why she included it in the instructions, but it didn't ultimately help me. So reading the directions and trying to work through the process of what the book is explaining to me to do. The struggle is real. I'm trying to figure out where I want to put my hook at this point, and I wasn't happy with it, so I try again. Try her stitch marker technique again as I'm working through the process here. Stitch marker's not working. Get rid of that. Get it out of my way. Moving right along now. Sort of. So from the front side, it looks okay. But when I pick it up and look at the bottom, I see that I don't like it because I had done my first section in the back loop only, creating a nice finished edge, and then on this new piece I didn't like the way it looked. It was just a single loop and it didn't match. So I frogged it and I'm gonna try again. Well, I see my hands went off camera a little bit there. I'm so sorry. You didn't miss anything. Me trying to figure out where to put my hook. Trying to work out how to maintain that chain across the bottom of my work while I create the new stitch. And I've decided that my slip knot is a little too tight, so I'm going to loosen that up a little bit. Or at least try to. I failed. Decided it didn't matter. Gonna carry on. The first stitch shouldn't seem to be so critical for placement. It's the next one that I think matters more on how you put your hook in. And I didn't really show it, but I was able to catch 2 loops here rather than 1. You can almost see it. And that will make it look better when I get finished adding on to the stitches. important not to pull that first stitch too tight because you want a nice even chain across the bottom of your work to match your starting chain. Let's see how it looks now. I like the edge. Oh, much better. I like that much better. It looks the same all the way across. This is definitely a skill that I will need to practice and add to my repertoire, because as we all know, we think we can count until we start counting for crochet, and then all of a sudden we can't. Thank you for watching.